Cap Game, Lucci. Let's get 'em. Dub, Kitty, Blue, Black, A. I grew up listening to Trick, nigga. South FLA, Dog, you can't be no bitch, nigga. I mean, the bottom is a bitch, nigga. Them boys saying you weak, and your ass getting flipped, nigga. I've been thugging since a jit, nigga. I had to learn how to whip and how to go and get that grip, nigga. I had to bust a couple licks, nigga. Hustle hard on the streets. Now my pockets stay thick, nigga. I had to deal with some real issues. My girl kept getting pregnant, I had to put her on the pill, nizzle. Don't give a fuck how you feel, nizzle. Cause when you live by the sword, you die by the pistol. This shit started on the corner, fool. Before we started pushing them cops, ain't had nothing to do. You know I'm gon' get this money pimpin', any nigga getting laid way. I'ma let the AK hit.
This is real talk to the fullest. You can get the love, get the plug, get the bullets. Boy, it's like this is real talk to the fullest. You can get the love, get the plug, get the bullets. Boy, it's like
Bobby Blue, nigga, Cap Game. Wasn't always blue. Mom raised her a Christian boy. The love of money led a nigga to the kitchen, boy. I watch him itch while I pitch it to him real fast. Pick up they money, stash my pack back and haul ass. Brooklyn nigga, that army, give me a tall glass. Let me explain why most of you rappers won't last. For the cap, I bet you pay the full price. I'm in your party, no mic, just give me 3 dice. Your boy nice on them craps, I'ma let him go. I buy drinks, what the promoter owe is plenty more. I was at 80, y'all niggas scraping a 40 barely. You can't afford a hit man, trust me, they scare me rarely. Oh, you slinging with that little bag of loose dimes? My niggas knock off quarter bricks in they spare time. Plus I'm hungry like a bum on the lunch line. I need to catch up to myself.
This is real talk to the fullest. You can get the love, get the plug, get the bullets. Boy, it's like this is real talk to the fullest. You can get the love, get the plug, get the bullets. Boy, it's like
yeah. What you want, what you need, I can serve you. My hustle sick, fool, infected with the bird flu. I cook more chickens in churches than KFC had. My culinary craft will land your ass in the rehab. The villain and the hero, Bob Nero. I got big bags, a member of the Better Business Bureau. Tomorrow you're dead, can I borrow your bed? That girl said, you a mudded Mike, double thoroughbred. Weightlifters, turn shooters, work out and curl lead. Mother Nature mental cycle as if the world bled. Fuck what you heard, nigga. I'm a syrup sipper. Teach a chicken how to somersault. I'm a bird flipper. She suck me cause she like how the truth tastes. Emotion like a toothbrush, keep white like toothpaste. Keep these hoes tripping like I crossed up they shoelace. Videoed her and a friend entitled that shit Two-Face.
This is real talk to the fullest. You can get the love, get the plug, get the bullets. Boy, it's like this is real talk to the fullest. You can get the love, get the plug, get the bullets. Boy, it's like